When we are going to generate the CSR, you have to keep in mind the two major areas. The first one is common name, which we use for DNS naming convention for our website. And the second most important component is the private key. These are the two important components. While we can approach multiple tools for creating or generating the CSR, it might be on the platform of Microsoft, Linux, third party tools, online tools, and even we can approach the cloud platforms as well. But the universal criteria for generating any kind of CSR will never ever change. And in this episode, we are going to explore all these tools for generating the CSR. So let's move now.
Hello and welcome to all of you on my productive and skill oriented training platform. So we are going for the creation, or you can say generating the CSR certificate signing request. It might be we are going to create the wildcard certificate or SAN, UCC, any kind of certificate. As I said earlier, we have two major components. The first one is the subject information, while the second one is private key. When we look inside the subject information, so we find that the key component which we need is known as common name, which generally consider as DNS records, which we use for our website addresses inside our IS server machine, or it might be Apache or nginx. The second and the important thing is about the private key. So the subject information is used for the purpose of identification of any website, while the second part is directly related with the security information, where we protect our data on our web services. So we need to focus on these two areas. All other information, like the we can say the organizational unit, locality, state, and country, these are the information which generally not that much important. Also, you provide those informations, but generally any kind of CSR is completely dependent on these two major options. While when we are going with the creation of CSR, so we have multiple options inside CSR creation. So here we go with the common tools. As you can see on the top of the list, we have Microsoft Windows operating system, might be Windows 10, Windows 11, or you can select any server operating system. So you can easily deal with the creation of CSR. And in the same manner, you can go with the Linux, third party, online CSR, and other cloud based in tools available for the purpose of generating the CSR. So here we go. If we consider about the CSR creation, so the first and the most important tool which is generally available online, so we will go with the online CSR generator. So here we go, and you can see on your screen that we have the csrgenerator.com site is available. And when I'm going to create CSR online, here you can see the specific information which we require over here is the common name. All other parameters are not that much important. So you just need to provide the common name. It might be example.com, abc.com, or techworld.com, whatever you are going for your website. So the all other tools which we just discussed over here, you can see all other tools. If I'm going to compare, so the information is completely same. So these online CSR generator is available. You can just search inside the Google search prompt, and there are multiple options available where you can easily create your CSR. Now, if I consider other tools, so the second one which I generally use for the purpose of you can say the CSR creation, here we go. And here you can see the second one is the third party tool. So if I select the third party tool, so the most common tool which we are using inside our client operating system. So here we have that tool. So let's explore that. Here we go. So I have the digicert tool available, and here you can see I have the create CSR option available. When I click on the CSR option, and you will be surprised that the information about the common name required over here, while all other parameters also available. So if I compare these two tools, let me close that one, and here. Now, here I have the common name. So the common name is appeared over here, and all other information like city, state, country, and the encryption keys available over here. So as I said earlier, the important thing is if you have the real concept how to generate the CSR, so tool does not matter because all tools provide same options. So we explore two important tools. The first one is the online, while the second one is the third party tools available. And if I want to explore further tools, let me close these informations from here. And we can go with another important tool which is generally exist on the platform of Linux, which is known as OpenSSL. So let me try with the OpenSSL option. So here the OpenSSL also available on the platform of Microsoft. So you can go with the Linux as well. The same tool available on both platforms. So I just type OpenSSL, and here we go. And I just provide the command, the request for the new CSR, and whenever I hit entered, so it will ask me about the country name. So let's suppose that I typed USA, and now the country name again, for the purpose of the certificate, CSR request, province or state, I said Florida. I just provide the Florida, and here the locality is Devi, and here we go with the organization name. So which is generally considered as the company name. So here we go. The organizational unit name, I said IT, and here we go with the common name. So let's compare these all parameters with the third party tools. So here, if I click on generating the CSR option, so here you can easily compare all these options. Here we go. Now you can see all these parameters available not only with the third party tools, but inside the OpenSSL as well. So the information requirement is same, format is same. That is why I said that it's a universal formula. You just need to select the right tool which is easily available for you. So you don't need to be very careful about the selection of the tools. So we right now we explore three tools. The first one is online, the second one is the third party, the third one is the OpenSSL, which is available with Linux distributions, or you can also install this tool on the platform of Microsoft as well. Now, if I talk about the fourth one, which is generally available on the platform of Microsoft, here you can see. Now, if I'm going with the Windows operating system, so the option is really simple. You just need to type MMC inside the run menu, and here you just need to type Control M and select certificates from here, and the process will be really simple. I just need to click OK. Here we go with the certificates information, and if I click on the certificate, inside the certificates I will find the personal information certificates here. Now if I right click on this certificate option, type all tasks, and here I have advanced operations. So create custom request. So I can create CSR request from the Windows platform as well, and the parameters will be same. You just need to select the right platform, and inside those platforms, you just need to select the common name, the company name, and all the information we just discussed earlier. So the process is really simple. It's about the real concepts of the CSR, the private key, and the common name as well. So you can go with any tool without any confusion because all tools have the same options. I hope you understand the real idea how you can discover the CSR generation process. So the important thing is you need to understand the real concepts about the CSR and then select any tool and you can easily create CSR for your required website. So by that way, you can go with all kinds of tools because whenever we are working inside the industry, it is important that we need to get all hands on skills about all the tools. So we will not only depend on a single tool. If any tool is available, we can easily configure, we can easily deploy any kind of application, any kind of CSR, or any type of certificate inside our web services. It might be on the platform of Microsoft IIS, or I can go with the Apache and nginx. If you want to learn about how you can generate the CSR, so there is a complete series available on my YouTube channel. You can follow this series, and link also will be available inside the description as well. And we will also wait for your comments. And if you have any queries regarding the CSR or any specific domain regarding the system administration, virtualization, and other platforms, feel free to ask inside the comment section or write back us via email. Thank you very much.